Hi, I'm Becky McGuire. Welcome to my channel. I'm talking to you today about shea butter. Why is it important? What is good about it? And why Perfectly Posh has this new initiative called the Shea Sisterhood Co-op. So, did you know that shea butter only comes from 21 countries across the middle of Africa? I didn't know that. Also, it's the main industry for 16 million women in those African countries. So they harvest the shea, they grind the shea by hand, and they make it into shea butter and sell it in their villages. And the Global Shea Alliance is an organization that is trying to help these women pool their resources together and create almost like these co-ops of women that create shea butter together so that they can drive up the price of the shea butter that they're producing and help them be more lucrative in their efforts. So Perfectly Posh created the Shea Sisterhood Co-op, which is an organization, well, it's an initiative that works with the Global Shea Alliance to, first of all, help bring awareness to this shea butter industry and how we can help. And You Deserve It Foundation is a foundation created by Perfectly Posh as well that's going to be raising funds to help build warehouses for these women to be able to house the shea nuts in one location. And then it's our job as consultants to share with you why shea butter is important, to create the demand for shea butter, so then it creates more business for these women in Africa that we are working with to get the shea from. So we have a few, several different kinds of initiatives in place about sourcing all of our shea from this co-op, and then also creating labels on our products which contain shea butter and shea butter from these co-ops as well. So I'm talking to you first about why is shea butter important? What's so cool about it? Well, it is probably the best ingredient on earth for your skin in its single use. So you can, it's rich in plant lipids, which create a barrier on your skin. It's great for inflammation reduction. It's great for anti-aging products. It helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with diaper rash, stretch marks. It has moisture and hydration that's great for your skin. It's great for acne, inflammation reduction. I have a whole list of things that it's great for. And the skin loves the high lipid content. And it's usually gentle, very effective. It's high in vitamin A, high in vitamin E, and it's just a great ingredient for your skin. Anti-inflammatory, I could go on and on, okay? But how can you help? So I'm gonna show you a few products by Perfectly Posh that contain a high quality or content of shea butter. And when you purchase these, you are directly influencing the demand for shea butter, which is going to directly impact these women and their businesses. So as a whole, if we are all creating and producing and purchasing products with shea butter, we're going to be improving these women's lives, which I think is pretty amazing. So the first product we have is called Always Gonna Love You. It is a shea butter chunk. It is 1/4 shea butter. So it's a super moisturizing, super hydrating chunk bar. It has this light berry plum fragrance. It's delightful, and $1 of each of these chunks purchased goes directly toward the foundation and the initiative. So this is not a charity, this is like a business building initiative that we are going to be using the charity support to build warehouses, but then the shea butter demand is gonna increase the production that they have to provide. So this chunk is delightful. If you are looking for a super moisturizing chunk, look no further. It's triple milled. It's one of Perfectly Posh's regular chunk bath bars that you would use, and it just has a super high concentrate of shea butter. If you look at other shea butter chunks, usually it's about 3% shea butter. This one has 25%. So it's super soft, full of moisturizing ingredients, great for your skin. Love it. Next, we have Goodnight Kisses. This is an overnight sexy softening lip mask. You need it. It's not really actually a mask, but you can use it at night. You could actually use it anytime you want to. It actually is just a super hydrating, almost like a balm that you can put on your lips. It just comes in a little tube like this, and it's full of these shea butter crystals. Just melt into your lips. help hydrate with peppermint oil. It feels amazing. Your lips are gonna be super soft, definitely sexy and softening. Okay, next we have our fresh creamy milk body butter. This one is super full of shea butter, very moisturizing, very thick. If you need a moisturizer or a soothing cream for your skin, this one is the best. It has a super soft coconut, sugared lemon fragrance. It's very, very light. This is great for using when